How to make money with 1 gram gold biscuit. Silver is a wonderful way to put your money in precious metals. This investment does not demand loads of money, and you can get the strength and steadiness that comes along with precious metals. With technological advances, you can now opt for online trading of the metals. You need to search for dealers or firms providing online trading of silver. This is an important decision, as selecting an efficient dealer in online trading is a must to finalize the deal in your interests. The online trading firm dealer must have a functionally simple website, and the web pages must be promptly downloaded. You can inform the online trading dealer the amount of silver bullion you want to purchase. Bullion is the basic product traded in the precious metals market. The unit involved is ounces. You can buy small bars of bullion by 1 ounce or bigger size bars at 10-15 ounces per bar depending on their size. The online dealer buys the silver and ships it to your destination. However, most dealers in online trading handle deals that involve large transactions. You can do silver trade with them only if you can invest a good amount of money. By adding precious metals, particularly silver, to your investment portfolio of stocks, mutual funds, etc., an investor can add a real asset to his investment mix. This enhances the diversification scale, thus reducing the risks caused by fluctuations in any asset kind. Silver is the most abundant and most inexpensive of the precious metals. Silver is very malleable, corrosion-resistant, good reflector of light, and is matchless conductors of heat and electricity. Silver plays an important part in your financial planning, as it is an effective investment for an average investor. Silver has striking demand embedded in segments as varied as imaging, nanotechnology, electronics, jewelry, coins, superconductivity, and water purification. Thus, silver has crossed the mark of a precious metal but is now an artistic metal or an industrial metal. Silver is vital metal that helps to improve the quality of our lives. The worth of silver may fluctuate, but it has an inherent value that is unchallengeable and enduring. Moreover, between 1970 and 1980, the US dollar lost more than half of its value, while silver prices rose nearly 5 times. This has cropped up online trading silver dealers and sites. The economic factors that influence the price of precious metals are different from the factors that decide the price of other most common financial assets. Thus, the independent change of precious metals graphs reduces overall volatility of the portfolio and maintains balance. The dollar is declining, and its acquisition power has gradually weakened over time and is anticipated to continue to do so. Thus, the rise in online trading of silver can generally impart a hedge against inflation ability. As the economy swing between prices rises, recession, and extension, the silver metals prove to be a sound investment. Many experts of investment believe that 15–20% of assets must be secured in silver investment. Online trading of silver also gives you a sense of possession, as you have the ownership or unswerving charge of their assets, as purchasing physical bullion has a good focus. Online trading commissions on buying and selling bullion are minimal. Moreover, silver bullion bars are highly liquid in online transactions. Copyright 2007 Joel Teo. All rights reserved.